Hi, welcome to Free VBA Tips. Today I am going to show you how we can find the last row, the last row and the last column of a data. So let's get started. So I go to developer tab and let me create a button. So I'll choose ActiveX, click and then just drag it, and then I can just Control C and Control V to duplicate the button. Let me right click and name it as find last row, and then I'll write find last column, and then I go to properties and name it, give it a meaningful name, btn last row, and then btn last column. Okay, so let me just make it a little bigger. Okay, so I want to find the last row of this B column, so I'll just double click on this one right now. This is in design mode. If it is not, you can just click on this design mode option over here. So I double click on this one and I come here. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to first locate the sheet. The sheet name is find last row, the sheet 1. So what I'll do is I'll type like this msgbux message box, and then I'll type sheet 1 dot, then cells, then bracket open, then again sheet 1 dot rows dot count, and then count, then again comma. I'm looking at column number B, last row of column B dot comma, then end, then bracket open, excel up dot row. Okay, so let me just copy paste and show you. So what I have written is, for this one I have written like this. Let me make it a little bigger so that you can see. So this is the code I have written. Let me see if it works. So to see, check this, go to developer tab and come out of design mode and let me click on this. It's 9995. So let me just check it. It's 9995. Perfect. So let me just copy paste the code over here. Make it a little smaller. So this is my code, message box sheet 1 dot cells, sheet 1 dot rows dot count, and then bracket column number B, and then bracket close dot end, bracket open excel app dot row. Okay, so let me find the column. So it is very simple. Let me go to design mode again, and then I'll double click on this one, find last column. Now you have to tell me what I have to do. So wherever there is rows, I can just change it to column. So here I see rows, so I just change it to columns, columns, and then count. Then first I'll provide the column, so I'm looking at column number 2. So I'm trying to find the last column over here like this. So say this is till h, so I want to find till h. So I'll just do this, and then sheet 1 dot columns dot count, then you have to remove this one, and then end. Then now for rows you are coming from bottom to top, for rows will come from right to left. So excel to left dot column. So let me just check the code. Perfect. And I come back here, come out of design mode, and let me click on it. So it's 8s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. So let me just copy paste the code. Here we go. Let me So here is my code. I hope this makes sense. You can subscribe to my channel for similar kind of videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.